mini tubs got done. We both got welded in. Come check it out. Bam. Check it out from the inside. All right, guys. So what we got going on today is we're going to be doing the subframe connectors and the upper torque box assembly for the Foxbody. So this is the upper torque box that we're going to be installing. It's going to go in right here. We're going to have to start removing all these spot welds, cut this on top, clean it up, and then we're going to weld this up here. It's going to be extra beefy. So we got some Scott Rod panels that are going to cover up all this nasty shit right here. So right now we're just test fitting, you know, but as you can see, it's looking pretty good. Now I got to test fit this side.